Hi everyone, welcome to my studio. Thank you all for being here. It's just so good to see you. Now I'd just briefly like to talk about my upcoming workshops. These are going to be in Maroochydore on the Sunshine Coast of Australia in October this year. There's just a few spots left, so if this is something that interests you, if you'd like to learn all I know about painting, do let us know. What do I mean by the medium and the magic? The medium, of course, is water, and the magic is colour. Everything begins with these two things, and of course they're water, colour. Both are equally as important in your paintings. Water is the carrier of the colours, and the amount of water we use is so important because it helps us to create the different surfaces and the textures, the details, and also the subtleties and gentle nuances, the strength and the power, all the things that we want to convey in our work. Now, what makes my workshops so different? My workshops are not just about teaching you how to paint a particular subject. My workshops are so much more far-reaching than that. I want to help you to know what I know. I also want to help you to understand how I do things and why I do things. I use particular methods and techniques, and I want to show you when and how to use those and why we use them. And why I mix particular colours and values to capture those feelings and emotions that lead the viewer's eye through the work. It's a little bit like this painting here. You can see how the eye starts here and just draws you through. Now the colours that I've used and also the tonal values that I've used just draw your eye right back through that, and it creates a passage. That's all part of the emotion and the feeling that people have when they look at the work. These are the tricks that I want to teach you. So I've chosen particular subjects because they have numerous invaluable surface lessons and textures. All of these things will expand your repertoire and allow you to create any subject by adapting my simple methods. I can't be with you in your home painting space, but while you're in my workshop, I can open your eyes to a whole new world of possibilities and understanding that will help you to find your wings and help you to fly higher than you ever dreamed possible. I know that that's how I felt when I learned all that I've learned, but as I said, it's taken me 30 years to get to this stage. I want to fast track you so that you don't have to go through all those years of trial and error. I look forward to teaching you how to create some magic in your work. So contact me if you'd like to join us in Maroochydore. I want your work to be extraordinary, so let's make some magic in Maroochydore.